narakubwiye ngo filime z'ubwenge zose uzisanga ku gasobanurifilms.com. Ndetse ivugururwa ryabayeho, ibi bintu bigiye gusubira ku murongo neza. Kira murundi rugunge. Iya nuko dutangiye filime yacu. Blackcliff Entertainment ndetse na Rock Entertainment ku bufatanye. Bimeze bite? Zero Gravity Management bose nabamenyemo amafaranga, ariko nanone bagiye kurusoza baravuga ati ibyo byose filime yakinwa gute, byagenda gute, izashyikirizwa icyamamare kiba mu Rwanda. Mbanza no kwanga baranyinginga dutangiye filime yacu. Mwibutsa ukeneye kwamaza kuri izi filime zirebwa na miliyoni zirenga 5 ku cyumweru mu Rwanda. Mwumve, nimba urutoki rukwiye gutunga aho kurutunga turahasi. Bitwara ko bari kuzahura ubukungu bakazamura imigabane ku isoko. Ayo mafaranga bakoresha n'ayandi n'ayacu n'ayanyu n'ayanyu ya. Twirengagisha ubwo bukungu bari kumanika bazamura imigabane, banatinyuka ko baturega. Bagashaka ko none kuturega ngo dushishubize inyuma asosiyete, ariko icyo dushaka nuko abantu bareshya, abantu bakavurwa bose. Bari kwigaragambya muri Amerika, tubabwire ngo iki game over, tubabwire ngo iki game over. Bari kwigaragambya kuri leta gasani, batangiye no kutwita ngo turi ibyibe bikorera indani mu gihugu. Nanone nibatwite ahubwo amafaranga bakayashora mu ntambara abantu bashonje. Hano hari umusore waje, icyo bazi ni umururumba no kunyereza umutungo, nta kindi. None ntacyo mufite kubabwira, mukivuge bakivuge. Nimba abayobozi leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika batakubaha abaturage ba Amerika, n'abaturage ba Amerika ntabwo bazigera bubaha guverinoma yabo mu gihe guverinoma itabubaha. Bari kwigaragambya, menya babafungiye sho nabo muri Amerika turi. Niho biri kube. Meze bite? Turage bari kwigaragambya. Liam Neeson uyu musaza ni icyamamare, yagukiniye Tekken, ariko Tekken wazipfubura we, ko hari ukuntu bagiye babeshya, barabasobanuze no barabeshyaga. Barakwereka wa mugore uyoboye imyigaragambyo ari kugenda areba abaturage ibyo bari kubivugaho, arayikinga comment, baramushyigikiye. Leta yacu juyibwira, jubabwiza ukuri, uyu ni ukuri yabigaragambya. Taxi musiga hano. None wantwaza ndakwiyamye, nakubyiye ndabyitwaza. Ni umukobwa yiriwe karakuri yabigaragambyaga, ni ububiri inyuma avuga atari ko leta flippy. Mada,
sorry about that.
Umbarere kubwibyo.
Hope it won't hurt my rating.
Nizere ko bitari buze gutuma utanyisha. Kiranga bahita bamugonga bisa nkaho umugabo w'umugonze turi nguyu. Musa uyu ntiyikanga, turamurangije. Waragenda ugatuka leta ya guverinoma ya Amerika, leta ya Amerika ugatuka abayobozi bayo. Kobwa yise yicwa n'impanuka. Yapanzwe. Harabuke bavuga ngo umuntu yishwe n'impanuka. Kumbe bakise gute, bakise black light. Ndagira ngo ukurikire filime. Narakubwiye ngo iyo bigeze ku kintu bita gusobanura filime nyigwa uko bayikinnye 100%, kuko iyo twumva izindi mizamahanga ntabwo bidusaba gukora iyo bwabaga. Cyakoze abanyarwanda mugira Imana, kuba Imana yaratumye mvukira mu Rwanda. Njya nibaza East Africa ntarimo ukuntu yabimeze. Radio yayivuyemo East Africa, ubu njyewe nkingisi ibaze East Africa idafite rock na radio. Muyibaze. Barakwereka Liam Neeson umusaza, muzaye dore nguyu umusaza yarahatwitse kuva kiri umwana mutatwika, na uyu munsi arinza asaza twika. N'umuhitinze Liam Neeson aravuna. Umusaza barakwereka ari imodoka, sinzi ari kwerekera he, agenda akomeza acunga inyuma, areba inyuma ku karotorovizeri kareba inyuma, agenda gukora bya hato na hato. uze ngo ntaba yizeye ameze nk'intare ritera intambwe eshanu igahindukira ikareba ntago nakurikiwe mujya mumbona iyo ndi kugenda gace gace nk'umuhiti nongera ntera intambwe hakuno barakwereka tuvuye kuri umusaza ari kwerekera muzedura aho yaje umusaza aragenda yububa nibiriya baba bavuga kandi umuntu wububa ngabonwa n'uwa musoke mwabigwari polisi iri hano imeze nk'aho ihanganye n'abaturage turashaka iriya maneko irimo indani mwese musubire inyuma bakura y'imbunda n'abaturage duhereze iyo maneko tuyice iyo maneko tuyigaburire izi mbwa zacu hano hari uwaje hari n'abashinzwe umutekano babiri abaturage bigaragambije ari benshi ngo barashaka amaneko yaje kubaneka iyo snitch man bana nibo bagenda bavuga n'abapushayi bakorera ina muze yaciye inyuma kuri yanzu bari kuvuga ngo uri masoke niwe musore ukora Robinson Imana ishimwe hano wahamagaye ba sheriff bina uya menya umuntu wabahamagaye wundi gico nakoze nafashe agapistoli nataye umutwe urebe uyarabanza riba hirya atera imibare ibintu byose biri hano hari amazari hakurya iriya hari udwari atera imibare muze wakoze iki nta kintu nakoze mbe hano hari uhari bavayo n'imbunda muze yaritsimba umukobwa hano afite kari forufa ariko yavuga urikije ukuntu bano bantu bameze barashaka kugushyingura uri muzima bwira byagenze bite maze imyaka 2 narashe kuneka bano bantu neka bano bantu bafite ivangura byatangiye kumbabasamira nk'umusazi mu mutwe barangije bansangana ibinini nanywaga kubera guta umutwe uri special agent Davidson rekera ugupanika nari nzi kari akazi kawe ko situation nk'iyi wayihagarika ibyo nibyo kandi situation ngiye kuyihagarika katururi bivuze ngo uriya mukobwa yari yoroherejwe kuneka uno mugabo we abandi bamaneko bamwohereza kura y'imbunda bano baturage ngo bafite ivangura usanga ari ba KKK rebe n'abazungu b'abahezanguni babandi bagira ivangura ryo ku rwego rwo hejuru umugore rashe kubaneka ngira hata umutwe mazi uzi kumara imyaka 2 uneka abantu ariko wagira ngo ubutegereje ko basaza ngo uzabone kubafunga bamuvumbuye kubera gutuma utwobona n'ibikorwa bibi bakora iyo wagiye kuneka abantu ari igihucece kukabareka bakajya bakora ibikorwa bibi bareba nta kintu wahita ukora ahubwo ugatanga raporo umugabo icyo yakoze yarajana gufatira gaze ngo zaruriye nimba rewo batambeshya sha ngo zikubye 3 nikajya mbwira pero nta makuru mba mfite nanjye nkahita mwoherereza ifungu urebe 3 ajya mbwira aracyane 4 urebe yakorino bandi tumutwike mano muginga za kutuneka ati sasa maneko wavumbuwe woherejwe imodoka ya sheriff barayirasa mugabo gufatira hano kino cy'amashanyarazi gishyira hano muri filime aza hano mu modoka muri filime fire bakiyakubise n'ibigaze yakurikiriye hano bikangamo bane turebe ku nzu zacu barabaco tukiri baco bose baza kirano amazu yabo umugabo arayatwika bebe aho bagiye kurangarira muzese parika imodoka nziza hano kumanga hano nshira mu modoka ariko nta bantu bagira mu modoka bashaka kwamamaza we aho muri filime abarimo amamodoka nkajya mbatwikira nome ku mafaranga filime ziribwa na miliyoni 5 ku cyumweru urasamye nguri bebe katururi byo byarabaye tugaruke White House.
Listen, can we just cut to it? Are you officially asking for my help?
Ibyo tubireke uri kunsaba ubufasha
Because if you are,
kuko ni muri kumunsaba
I think I have a few solutions.
ndakeka ngo ufite ibisubizo n'umugabo.
All right then, I'll handle it.
Sa ibyo ndaza kubyitaho.
We'll talk soon.
Turavugana vuba. Nuri hano.
The President's chief of staff isn't happy with
chief of staff wa perezida ntabwo yishimiye
handling the millennial soapbox crowd.
uburyo polisi isanzwe iri kwitwara muri kiriya kibazo cy'abantu bigaragambye
Crowd control of the White House.
none se FBI isigaye kontora White House
And they want something.
byibura bazo bahamagara
Yeah.
bashaka ibintu bikorwa
Politicals are chasing their own shadows.
abanyepolitiki ntabwo bazi kwirinda ibibazo byabo
They need to smarten up.
iyo bashaka kumara igihe kinini kuri manda zabo bagomba kubanza bakagira ubwenge
First place, fear. When the people are afraid for their jobs or their wallets or their lives, they want Uncle Sam to protect them.
ubundi abaturage mbere na mbere
But puppets.
kugira ngo bayobore neza ugomba kubanza ukabatera ubwoba kuko ngiyo bafite ubwoba bw'akazi kabo no kubura amafaranga ngo nibwo bagutega amatwi
Gabe,
ni byiza ko bagufite Gabe inwe Gibson bavugaga
if I learned anything, this job is all about finding creative ways of keeping the peace.
tugomba gushaka uburyo nanone bushyashya bwo kurinda amahoro inwe FBI Davidson ari he
Pretty shaken up.
uriya mukobwa yagize ubwoba
At the facility, she's
namujyanye ku kigo
being cleaned up and debriefed.
babanze bamusubize ku murongo bamuhe n'imiti bamusubize mu kazi
Deep covers are like the birds that keep
bano bamanikomeze nk'ibinyoni
nose. They wiggle and flop around a whole lot, but eventually they come back to their senses.
hari igihe ibyo binyoni iyo bimennye idirishya biguruka bikagenda ariko birongera bikagaruka bigasubiza ubwenge ku gihe sasa uno mugabo akazi akora
No.
bamaneko boherejwe mu kazi ngo hari igihe bagera mu kazi bagata umutwe bikabacanga bitewe n'akazi baba batuma gukora leta batuma gukora mu ibanga
Azo.
iyo bataye umutwe byabacanze uyu musore niwe batuma kugira ngo agende abagarure babasubize mu bigo bibagira inama bibafasha bagasubira ku murongo bivuze ngo leta nyine hari utuzi batumamo kujya kuneka ugasanga umuntu biramucanze ibintu ababona abo bagizi ba nabi yagiye kuneka bakora iyo rero abo bamaneko bataye umutwe uyu musaza dore urugatamo dore uburyo rukinga dore uburyo rukinga nyagasani tuntu twe ni ku murongo dore udukoto ukuntu tumanika kigera mu rugo inkweto agira imiguru ibiri yonyine imiguru ibiri ariko ubwoko bw'inzoga nywa bwo firigo iba yuzuye amayoga menshi akuramo imwe asubiza akuramo imwe akabitse ebyiri wabibonye muri firigo imiguru y'inkweto ni ibiri ariko amacupa ari muri firigo urayabonye reka nawe uba ugomba kureba ibintu bigufitiye akamaro inkweto se ni ibice ufite inyota hey urwunge niruba rukwiye kuba uri wawe ahubwo habura inkweto buriya ariko urwunge Yesu ngo ari ku musaraba mu magambo yavuze ngo harimo rimwe ryavugaga ngo mfite inyota kwera icyo gihe ngo abarara bagize ubwoba baravuga ati mu bintu tugomba kwirinda mu bintu byashenguye Yesu akavuga ati mfite inyota tuzirinda inyota nuko umurara yambwiye ndabwira ati ariko Yesu yari afite inyota y'amazi
Grandpa!
Gunge
Did you go?
I was checking the...
Sogo kumeze bite
All clear?
All clear.
mvuye kuzenguruka ndeko nta kibazo byose meza bimeze sawa nakuzukuru ke ni muzehe yavuye muri kariya kazi aza kureba umwuzukuru we to kana ngaka
Stay at your place?
I'd like to try a normal life.
bakira ngo uriya mwana se mujye kubana ye ntange mbe ubuzima busanzwe njye mwisi ye uri gushaka kwegura yego
On board with this plan?
kebo waramubwiye se ko ushaka kwegura mu kazi aracece
Haven't even mustered up the courage to tell him.
na n'umuntu urabona umuhati wo kubwira boss we ko ushaka kwegura uzi yasaziye mu kazi ari gushaka kwegura ngakamarana umwanya n'umwuzukuru uyu ni umukobwa we
Maybe 1 or 2 weekends a month. The odd weekday if we can make that work.
ahari uyu mwana waje umuma nka weekend ebyiri mu kwezi nkaba ndi
I could
kumwe nawe
get a bit of the load off.
uriya mwana ni byinshi namugufashaho nawe rero urabizi ufite akazi
Is
kenshi
how?
She suggested it.
uriya mwana rero wabinsabye reka
Thinks me.
arankunda nakoze
She wants a male figure in her life.
bigaragara ko ari akana gakeneye umugabo nyine urabona na papa ako gafite kabona umugabo
You
nkanjye
get my love life?
Not at all. Not your fault that deadbeat ran off.
Maybe she does, but just not convinced that she.
ahari uriya mwana aragushaka ariko ngiye sindabyiyumvisha neza
It's not that bad.
ntabwo ari bibi ariko
Exits.
Exits.
In this building, how many exits?
muri iyi nzu turimo imiryango isohoka n'ingari wumve umugore sinzi umukobwa sinzi impamvu abajije papa w'icyo kibazo iyi nzu yose turimo irimo imiryango isohoka ingari wumve
She makes rounds, checking to see that all the doors in the house are locked.
Good.
iyo tugiye kuryama kariya kana kanjye kazenguruka inzu kakareba nimba natwafunze buri saa kakajya gusuzuma nimba hagifunze
Maybe, or she could be learning it from you.
ahari niwo ubyigisha umwana kuba afite ubwoba yikekaceka azenguruka inzu
A stove, the electricity.
ibaze yuko kariya kana kagenda kakareba gaze nimba ifunze neza itari gusohoka kakareba nimba amashanyarazi ariho neza
Couple of years.
uriya mwana afite kandi imyaka 2 n'igice
It's under control.
byose bagira ngo umwana akura azi ko biri muri control.
Paranoid.
Iki gisaza sasa kubera ari igisirikare. Akana kafite imyaka 2 n'iki.
The protectors.
Cyo cyaratangiye ugatoza unujya kuryama ujye uzenguruka inzu rebe ko umutekano ari wose nzikinze.
What are you?
Rebe ko gas itari gusohoka ifunze neza. Mbega urusaza kubera kuba urusirikare cyane. Ubwirinzi cyatangiye kubutoza kana gato.
Front entrance. Fire exit on the right.
Ubinzu yose turimo mbona maze kuyisuzuma inyuma hari imiryango ibiri isohoka imbere hari ahandi nanone hafi ya exit umuntu yasohokera atangira kubamubarira amadirishya arayamubwira
Wasn't a great husband or father.
ntabwo nigeze mba umugabo mwiza cyangwa papa mwiza sinabisubiza inyuma
The chance.
ariko mpaye amahirwe
Be the best grandfather I can be.
nabasogokuru mwiza kuri uriya mwana uko nshoboye
Natalie or you?
ukabikorera na Tarise cyawe weho ubwawe ubyikorera n'umukobwa we
Gramps, I love it.
so kano gatoroshe nagakunze papa kuyisaba kuri uyu mwana we yamuhaye itoroshi nawe ndebera kugira ngo akana gakomeze gakuri gacunga umutekano w'urugo muze we mu burera atanga mbega ikintu bita umutekano nicyo kintu atanga umwana akagomba kwirinda tubera tugaruke yakuri no yo hano
Pass.
akira
Pass!
yewe tanga pasi ariko bro
Sophia Flores' death is a tragedy.
urupfu rwa Sofia
No one's arguing.
ni amahano yabaye
But to call out Metro PD as criminal for not naming a suspect or divulging...
ariko none twamagaye polisi yo hasi ntabwo iri kuvuga ko ari urupfu umuntu yishwe n'impanuka
Writing
wa
about
mukobwa
for a
wapfuye
year because she was
maze umwaka uriya mugore mwandikaho
spearheading a movement for real change.
uriya mugore wapfuye nubwo muri kubyita impanuka ariko ni umuntu wari kugerageza kuzana impinduka muri iyi generasiyo iriho
Well, then wrong time, wrong place, bad luck.
uriya mukobwa yarari ahantu habi mu gihe kibi ni amahirwe mabi yagize arapfa dore kandi dore cya kimenyi barira gicitse umugabo uri hano kuri amaci
The SUV had no plates. The rideshare driver was using
SUV ubwoko bw'imodoka yamugonze nta plaque yari iriho kambere ntabwo yifashe bivuze ngo bari bapanze kumwica uriya mukobwa wapfuye
The SUV was probably new.
iyo SUV babona yari nshyashya batarayiha plaque
Who couldn't use his real name? Who's to say?
If we don't post something and make it news, it'll be like it never happened.
nituramuka tutabyanditse mu nkuru sasa ikintu igitangazamakuru nituramuka tutabyanditse rero baraza kugira ngo biriya bintu biramera nk'aho bitigeze biba ni umukobwa wapfuye wari uvugiraga rubanda asa nk'uhanganye na leta
Based on facts. Find them first, then write your story.
mbere yo gusohora inkuru banza ushaka ibimenyetso bifatika bigaragaza ko uriya mukobwa koko yishwe cyangwa ari impanuka isanzwe yamubayeho ntabwo ari ugupfa kwandika inkuru ni kajete bari kumubwira arashaka kwandika inkuru ahubutse katururi tuvera tugaruke hakurino hano hari umusore ufite imbunda mu modoka ye umusore ari kunywa n'ibinini uyu musore twaramubonye filime itangira ahantu wa mukobwa yari ari kwiga kubwirira abantu ngo bigaragambye umugabo ari kunywesha ibinini inzoga bita United Gin yageze ku isoko none niyo rikeri iri kubinkorera umugabo ari kunyweshe we arabamukomangiye musore
Hey, buddy, you can't park here.
we hano ntabwo byemewe kuhaparika
Okay.
sawa
Yeah,
yego yaparitse muri muveza reka imodoka nyakuri n'abapolisi polisi umwe kure bano
Done!
afite imbunda we amaboko aho tuyareba
Let's go. Put your hands out the window.
amaboko aho tuyareba ku idirishya
Step out of the vehicle.
iyo dusohoka mu modoka amaboko aho bayareba
Put your hands on your head.
amaboko ku mutwe bamubonanye imbunda muri Amerika nta muntu ugenda n'imbunda iba igomba kuba iri mu nzu yawe ku buryo umuntu agusanga mu rugo ariho wirindira ntabwo ari ukuvuga ngo urayibungana mu nzira ubwo nabwo uba warayisoreye kubona do cyawe paci musore jya ku nzego z'umutekano yawe do musore nimwe jyawe kubita leta kubita iriya ni imyaka muri nkoni yibarire imyaka 5 kubise leta baramufata umusore arafashwe kubisa inzego z'umutekano
Up this routine.
bino bintu umeze kubikomeza
Walking out of here.
ntabwo ubize gusohoka muri iyi gereza no gukomeza gutya wa musore wakubise abapolisi wa mugabo yaje kumureba
I'm here to help, but to do that properly, I
naje
need
ari gufasha
information.
ariko kugira ngo mbikururamo amakuru
What were you planning on doing?
wari uri gupanga gukora iki rebe bamufunze
The police found booze, pills, and a handgun in your vehicle.
polisi gusanganya inzoga ibinini n'imbunda mu ntoki.
Thinking of putting a round in your brain pan?
ese uri gupanga kwirasa.
Maybe you had a score to settle.
cyari cyo ashaka gukemura.
No.
ushaka kwica umuntu.
Jewelry store?
oya.
Look, I
ushaka imikufi.
wasn't with the gun. I was
iriya mbunda nta kintu uri kuyikoresha.
On the passenger seat.
I wasn't thinking.
imbunda yari ku mwanya w'umugenzi.
Are you now?
ntabwo natekerezaga neza none se uri gutekereza neza. muzana mubaza yitonze. avugaga uri umusaza.
All right, Dusty. My time's up.
Sawdust ndabona igihe kiri kugenda.
You're welcome to stay, or we can stroll out of here together.
uraguma hano muri gereza cyangwa unsubize ibyo ngubaza dusohokane.
Level with me.
icyo nshaka uko duhuza.
You doing?
wari ugiye gukora ibiki? umve.
I was going to talk to a reporter.
nari ngiye kuvugana n'umunyamakuru. nyagasani. yaragiye kuvugana n'umunyamakuru. wari ugiye gutanga amazimwe. nta keza k'abanyamakuru simubizi se. ugiye kubabwira iki?
Great.
Mike,
sinyano bahise bamusura muri gereza uno musore. wibuke uno mugabo we akaza akora no gukurikirana aba agent ba FBI cyaba maneko ba FBI bataye umutwe byacanze. urumva umusore nimba akorera FBI akaba ashaka kujya kuvugana n'abanyamakuru. urumva umuntu ashobora kuba agiye kumena amabanga ya leta. hey
us. A nice, quiet, secure place.
tugiye kujyana ahantu harinzwe kandi hatuje.
And screw your priorities back on straight.
bagugira inama wongera ugaruke ku murongo.
They'll assign me to some small town field office where they can keep an eye on me while my soul.
cyangwa bareta banyoreza mu gaturage ahantu bangire nk'umunyerondo njye kuba ariho nkorera mujye muncunga.
Promising career.
uri kwangiza akazi kawe kandi watangaga icyizere.
I like your commitment to the job.
ndetse nkunda uburyo ukoramo akazi kawe.
You're making a bad choice.
ariko wari ugiye guhitamo nawe ujya kuvugana n'itangazamakuru. uyu mugabo we nuza kugira inama aba agent ba FBI bataye umurongo bashaka kuyagara. umuntu ushinzwe umutekano ajya kuvugana n'itangazamakuru iki? kari aho muhera mumena amabanga ngo leta yadutumaga turinda gutya. ibyo bintu si sawa.
Like you and me, we
kujya mwumva mbivuga.
are drawn. The only thing to know is whose orders you follow.
ufite amategeko n'amabwiriza ugomba gukurikiza.
He's on the wrong side of the future.
I don't expect everyone to cope with the mind games that come with deep undercover work. Once you're in it, it's hard to tell which way's up, down, right, wrong.
kano kazi dukora ko kuba bamaneko biragoye kuba wamenya ngo ese ndi mu nzira nziza nayobye nagarutse ku murongo. biragoye ariko tugomba kubikora.
You do whatever you gotta do to me. I'm not playing by the Bureau's rules anymore.
wowe nkoresha ushaka kunkoresha ariko ntabwo nongera kugendera ku mategeko ya biro. Federal Bureau of Investigation ngo ni FBI. ati biro ntabwo nongera kwigendera ku mabwiriza yayo. umusaza atwaye ya mfungwa bamutumye hari telefone yakiriye. urebe.
This is where my re-education begins.
unzanye kongera kwiga mu kiburamwaka se. baje kuri Guardian zana akaboko amukubita ipingu. kumbe muzehe ari Guardian aje uriho mu sanake.
Oh, I'm
Vite.
sorry I'm late.
babare natinze. nari nkeneye kunyambira.
I know you have to work.
ndabizi ko ufite gukora.
You here all by yourself?
uri hano wenyine.
Well, not anymore.
ubu rero ntabwo ukiri wenyine.
It's our night.
But
iri
we
joro ni ijoro ryanjye nawe.
answer your phone.
baguhamagaye ntiwitaba telefone.
Called mommy at the hospital.
bahita bahamagara mama wanjye ku bitaro avurira.
Supposed to sit tight.
rero ubu ngiye kumutegereza kuko watinze kuza kumfata. mama nawe ngari mu nzira ze.
That doesn't mean you can't stay here with me.
ariko ntabwo bisobanuye ko utagumana nanjye hano tugategereza mama.
It's certainly.
muzehe agomba kujya gufata umwana aratinda kubera akazi. nanjye njya ntinda kujya gufata abana ku ishuri. we mwana muto nagire.
You're a criminal.
uri umugizi wa nabi.
It's a crime to speak the truth, buddy. Then
none se ni icyaha kuvuga ukuri nimba yari icyaha nibyo. kana kanamufotora umwana.
I wouldn't do that.
wibikora wa ruzingo wibikora ibyana by'iminsi cyane cy'imyaka 5 gisigaye gifite smartphone. genda bishyira hanze.
Looks like a fun picnic.
rebe.
Who are these two?
This is
bano ni bande.
and that's mom.
uyu ni njye na mama nashushanyije.
Which means that must be.
bivuze rero ngo uyu nguyu ni njyewe.
Silly bean. That's a stranger.
wapose wewe ni umuntu ntazi ubu nawe njya mbona mu rugo. ugasani wikanga.
What's a stranger doing?
uwo muntu utazi se abakora iki mu rugo.
Us?
abaducunga tureba.
Why?
abakurebera iki se.
Been watching you?
hari umuntu umaze iminsi aza kubacunga.
I need
sinzi.
to know.
nkeneye kubimenya warwana we. uzarakara. kana nyamara gashobora kuba kari kuvuga ibintu bikomeye atera umuntu nashushanyije undi njya mbona mu rugo ari kuducunga. babare natari.
Important for you always to be aware, like I've taught you.
nakubwiye ko ugomba kujya wirinda sibyo. nta kana gato
Anyone
gisaza kana kimaze ukagira agasirikare.
who approaches you,
umuntu wese utazi uzajya ubona kwegere cyangwa se umuntu uko cyita umubwira sibyo.
Bad guy's gonna hurt you.
none se ni abantu babishaka kungirira nabi. oya
would you think that?
Because Mommy says your job is dangerous.
mama yambwiye ko akazi ukora ari kabi cyane.
She exaggerates.
Mama wawe arakabye cyane.
Dangerous.
Akazi nkora si kabi.
Things gonna happen to me or you.
Nta kintu kizambaho cyangwa kikubeho.
Mommy?
Mama se
Mommy.
na mama. Mama Vayo ni umuganga.
Mommy!
Mami ni akana kitwa Natali.
Grandpa,
Bite grandpa nawe nikamwita kuko ari kakana kamwita. Kugera no wa muntu yari yazanye hano yacitse. Hey, yacitse. Ko kanya bona hari igikamyo kiri kumucaho. Hey,
Dusty, don't do this!
Dusty wibikora. Imaniko FBI ugiye kuvugana n'itangazamakuru. Hari amabanga ya leta usanga agiye kujyanza.
Myra, does he live in a castle and have a heart of gold?
He's on line 3.
Hari umuntu kuguhamagara kuri nimero ya 3.
Flores were in
Arambwiye ngufitiye amakuru yekeranye na Sophia wa Sophia Flores wa umaze iminsi apfuye.
headlines.
Hey,
Tell me what it is.
bwira bimeze bite?
No,
Oya,
just do it on the phone.
ntabwo nabikubwira kuri telefone.
Always listening.
Abari kunyumva ibyo ndi kuvuga iteka batwumviriza. Urebe uyamukurikiye.
Find someplace quiet to talk about it.
Nagira ngo duhurire ahantu hacecetse tubiganireho. Umusore agiye gutanga amakuru mu banyamakuru. Kandi ni wa FBI.
About 5 minutes.
Mu minota 5 ndabageze ku itangazamakuru cyanyu. Amakuru nga agiye kuyatanga. Bimeze bite? Hamagaye wa mukobwa w'umunyamakuru bita Kajete ngo niwe agiye kuyaha. Nawe ndebere filime. Bimeze bite? Bamukurikiye. Hari amakuru atagomba kujya mu itangazamakuru. FBI yohereje umuntu ugomba kubihagarika. Bimeze bite? Yo. Hey. Ibyo bashinzwe umutekano bakoramo akazi kabo ntabwo ari ngombwa byose bijye mu itangazamakuru. Icy'ingenzi ni umutekano muwubona. Ko kujya mu itangazamakuru abagizi ba nabi hari igihe babimenye bakamenya bati kumbe barinda barya bategura barya. Hey, ntabwo bari sawa. Kature. Umujyi hagati. Bimeze bite? Arakurikira. Yo. Uyu musore sinzi nicyo ashaka kubwira abanyamakuru. Icunga imbere ugiye guhonga abantu. Muzehe, katira imodoka hano. Ni umusaza arashaje ariko ni indwanyi. Ni umwatari. Aracyakurikirana abana bato binjiye mu kazi. Babwanutse bashaka kumena amabanga ya leta. Cyangwa se bataye umutwe. Bamaneka mbega bose bahuye n'ibibazo. Zeni ugenda akabafasha akabasubiza muri system ahantu babajyana mu kigo. Bakongera bakababriefinga. Bakabashyira ku murongo bakagaruka mu kazi bameze neza. Yo. Hey. Uyavuye urebe. Kamodoka arakegura. Hey. Umuntu kwangiza ibikorwa remezo. Asiranse hariya zirishyura. Asiranse. Yo. Katururi. Bimeze bite? Yo. Hey. Urebe. Yo. Akurino. Arakurikirwa. Bimeze bite? Hey. Do. Yeah. Hey. Gerano. Yesu Kristo. Ukibara wangiza. Sura kugerano. Yo. Yarakarenze. Yarakarenze. Muze yamukurikiye. Ni umusaza ariko afite imodoka nziza, afite n'uburyo ayizinga mukabona ko umusaza gishoboye akazi. Liam Neeson cyamamare. Bebe. Yo. Hey. Sura Vayo. Muze arashaje. Kanabona umusore. Umusore ngagiye gutanga amakuru. Umusore kuvuga ati umutima nama wanjye ngiye kubohora. Bega awoze asa neza mu kuvuga ukuri. Ese nuko kurashaka kuvuga. Barakwereka umunyamakuru kazi Kajete aje kwakira inkuru. Abasi yo bamenye nga ahantu hari views. Simuba. Yo bita Kajete.
Let's go somewhere private.
Nakurikiwe tugende.
Is this all about?
Ntabwo napfa gukurikira.
This is really important. We're gonna have to do this another time.
Urabizi ubwo nzongera ngo hamagara ubutaha ndagiye. Urabona ko byakomeye. Kugera no abona igisaza gikurikiye umusore. Izi views arazibuze tu. Yo. Acha muze arabibona. Muze kurabona kara kanyamakuru uramunyamakuru bura nta makuru bamuhaye. Uramunyamakuru bura nta makuru bamuhaye. Kajete yikangamo. Ibi bintu biri seriye. Ubundi kirazira kujyana inkuru n'iki wibaraguza kwitangaza amakuru. ntabwo ari sawa.
Last person on the planet I need talking to the press is Crane.
Umuntu wa nyuma nshaka kongera kuvugana mu itangazamakuru ni Crane.
Mental facility.
Yakagombye kuba yamaze kugera mu kigo cy'abasasi.
Natalie School.
Ngo wajyanye ngo umuntu wafashe ku ishuri rya Natalie.
I'm sorry, I wasn't thinking.
Bari ntabwo natekerezaga. Sasa yaje gutanga raporo kuri bosi aho kugira ngo afate imfungwa bayijyane kuyifunga bayiganirize yajyanye ku kigo cy'umwana niho yamucikiye.
We were crossing the line.
Must feel nice to be that naive.
Menya ari byiza kwigira ikigoryi gutyo.
Just that he's done following the Bureau's rules and based on his little truck stuff.
Kurikije ibintu abonye akora bisa nk'atagikurikiza amabwiriza yacu.
He's a live grenade.
Uriya musore ameze nka grenade ishobora guturika akanya kari kose.
It's heat from every direction.
Akanya kari kose ashobora kubuza kuba ari kuri front page cyangwa se kuri page ya mbere y'ikinyamakuru bari kutuvugaho.
Margaret passed.
Yeah, she had a gift.
Umugore wanjye kuva yapfa Margarita ntabwo nkibasha gufunga ino karuvati ni bwa babwita ngo iki arya ubune.
Your fingers, not like you. Are you all right?
Yeah, I've just been feeling a bit distracted.
Maze iminsi numva meze nkaho ndi kurangara.
Buddy, what's the trouble?
Kibazo ki?
I'm trying to spend more time with Natalie.
Ndi gushaka kumarana igihe n'umwuzukuru wanjye Natalie.
At this point, Amanda doesn't trust me for good reason.
Kandi umukobwa wanjye Amanda ntabwo anyizera ko nagira n'ibihe byiza n'umwana.
Actually, Gabe.
Umva Gabe ni boss.
Thinking.
Natekerezaga.
Maybe it's time I hang it up.
Ari nicyo gihe ngo bino mbivemo.
No.
Oya shaka kwigura.
Not an option.
Ibyo sama hitamo.
It's been over 20 years.
Ukoreye imyaka 20.
Never knowing when you're going to call.
Ntazi igihe uri bumumagarire.
For how long?
Ntaza uzanyuhereza gukorera cyagiye bizamara. Birangora.
Natalie needs stability and all.
Kandi Natalie karakuzukuru kanjye gakeneye na kutuza kakamenya ko mpari.
Importance of family, God knows, look at me.
Ndabyemera ko family ari ya mbere n'Imana irabizi.
Do is crucial, important work.
Gusa ufite akazi gakomeye cyane ugomba gukora.
Dangerous places physically and
bamaneko bacu abari ahantu habi haba mu mutwe haba no ku mubiri ahantu tubohereza.
You to bring them back.
Iyo bataye umutwe niwe mba ngira ngo ugende ubangarurire.
Horns.
Mbere yuko bamera amahembe.
Saving good agent souls.
Bega akazi nkora no gutabara ubugingo bw'aba agent beza. Aba agent ba FBI bataye umutwe byacanze akazi kari kunanira. Bashaka kumena amabanga nka kuriya cyasabiye yahuza ibiyobyabwenge kubera akazi kabacanze ku bintu bagarura ku murongo.
More time with your granddaughter. Deal?
Twumvikanye ko numara kumfatura musore Dusty ari bwo uzajya kumarana igihe n'umwuzukuru wawe. Bega akazi kazaba karangiye.
It is from when I met this guy.
Uyu musore nagomba guhura nawe.
Our security guards recognized him. It's the same guy who was arrested for fighting the cops.
N'abashobasegete barambwira ngo n'abapolisi ngo ino wa musore uherutse gufungwa. Agafungura.
Better. Did you sleep at all last night?
George se wasinziriye.
Falling asleep.
Gusinzira ni iki?
Just record your stupid games and watch them later.
Ubundi ntabwo wajya uri coding iriya mipira uri kureba ukaza kwireba akazi karangiye. Abanyamakuru bebera imipira mu kazi.
I checked every police station within 50 miles of here.
Narebye kuri station za polisi zose ziri muri mayiro 50. Uriya musore ntabwo bigeze bandika kugeza afungwa kandi yari yafunzwe ariko nta dosiye banditse.
Maybe they just let him go to avoid another police brutality charge.
Ari bamufunze bahita bamurekura kugira ngo bitaba birebire babona nta kintu yakoze gikomeye.
Maybe you're right.
Aravuga ukuri.
So what's the headline?
Makuru ushaka kwandika aravuga ngo
A
iki?
draft or even an angle.
Nta draft rimwe ndakora ya makuru.
Contacted me. He could be a legitimate source.
Uyu musore yamamagaye wabona yaragiye kuma makuru atari ivumbi. Urebe. Ikajete. Tuvuye hakurya iriya. Tugaruke hano. Muzehe araho yaje. Uyu musaza w'akazi akora no gutabara ubugingo ngo bw'aba agent batari niko we abyita. Yaje hano. Mu nyubako. Bari yandi. Yo.
So,
no
bank or credit card activity?
Bivuze ngo nta kintu kimwe yigeze akoresha n'ikarita ya banke si wapi. Urumva iyo umuntu yaburiwe irengero rukuru banza bagacunga bakavuga ati se yigeze akoresha nk'ikarita yakabikuza ahantu kuri banke icyo gihe bahita babireba bakamenya ati yakoresheje nk'icyuma cya Nyabugogo yabikuje bagacakira muri ibyo bice. Iyo umuntu uri guhigwa na leta ubundi kirazira kwikoreshereje umuntu bw'u telefone kubikuza ukoresheje ikarita bira mu pangu wapi ni cash. Yatangiye kureba bya bintu umwana yashushanyije. nagashanya umwana yamushushanyije aramubwira ati
That's a strange.
nibuka kana kamubwira ati ubundi nashushanyije ni umuntu ntazi ubu ducungacunga mu rugo njya mpabona ngaba ducunga cyangwa batureba urabyita uko ushaka mugabo icyo yose akora yahise azi iwabo w'umwana atangira kuhamanika.
Grandpa!
Hey, Pumpkin. Where have you been?
At the park, flying my kite.
Ore nari ndi muri park ndi kugurutsa ka kite kanjye. Twatunda abana bahuriza n'umugozi tukajya mu kirere twita kite.
Oh, good job, Mommy.
Go inside and wash up for dinner, please.
Jya mu nzu woge ndaje dusangire.
With us, we're having
Uraguma hano dusangire.
a pizza.
Batumye pizza. Ubwo ni pizza.
Pizza it is.
Pizza ni sawa turasangira.
It's 4 times.
Tukubise inshuro enye.
4.
Enye?
Sure?
Urabizi neza?
Go again.
Twongere.
1, 2, 3.
Do, ubundi bakubita gatatu niwe na sekuru.
What are you doing?
Urakora iki hano?
Installing
Nari
security.
ndi kubesitarira kamera.
In my house?
Uri mu nzu yanjye.
At least safety.
Kuko umutekano wa Natali n'uwawe.
Just say thank you, and some might consider that very sweet.
Nakagushimiye nkakubwira ni sawa.
Things like this without asking my permission.
Ariko ntukajya uzi wanjye ngo umanike kamera utansabye urusha umusaza akimara kumenya akana kamubwiye ngo kakajya kabona umuntu ari kubacunga. Yayisaza mu rugo.
Is feeding her growing paranoia.
Umwana yabwiye ko ari umuntu ajya abona hano ni ukubera ko ari wenyine umutesha umutwe uba igihe umubwira ngo ajye ihora yikekaceka.
I screwed up on multiple occasions.
Ndabizi nagiye nkora amakosa inshuro nyinshi.
No, I'm trying to fix things.
Ndi kugerageza kubikosora.
Need a fixer like you.
Umukobwa wanjye rero ntabwo akeneye ko umuntu ukemura ibibazo afite ari wowe.
Just like your mother.
Tangiye kuvuga nka nyoko.
Or after she left us.
Mbere se cyanyuma yuko adusiga.
I'm worried about you, Dad.
Papa mpangayikishijwe nawe.
That's why.
Impamvu yo guhangayika.
Because maybe you can't see it, but
Impamvu ufite guhangayika ahubwo ni uko utabibona kuko ukwiye guhangayikirwa.
you know, when I was Natalie's age, your quirks were cute.
Yari umwana muto nabonaga uri umubyeyi mwiza.
Months, waking up at 2 and 4 a.m. to make sure all the doors and windows were still locked.
Ukabyuka saa sita z'ijoro ukaza kureba mu cyumba cyanjye ko urugi rufunze n'amadirishya.
Your quirks aren't quirks anymore.
Gusa ibyo bintu ntabwo bigikora muri iyi minsi.
Deal with it. I sometimes wonder,
Rimwe na rimwe njya nibaza.
entertained you, or was it your dirty job?
Ese umaze gusazana uburwayi bwo mu mutwe buri gutuma umera gutyo ura wikangakanga cyane akazi kabukora gatuma.
Just please don't do anything else without asking first.
Izo kamera ugiye kwesitara iwanjye zesitara ndakwihoreye ariko ubutaha uzongere kuza gukora ikintu iwanjye icyo ari cyo cyose utansabye uruhushya. Hari umwana bera kuziragiye akagira urugo rwe we nka papa we ntabwo wemerewe kuza mu rugo rw'umwana wawe uruvogera biriya muza mwinjira mu nzu y'abana banyu mwibaraguza. Kumbe turi ba basore bano basore turabazi nibo umwe niwe wagonze umuntu wa mugore twatangiranye agapfa. Ni babiri wari umutwaye n'uwaje akamugonga dore ngaba.
Special Wallace.
Agent Wallace na Lockhart.
Come in.
Barinjira. Nyagasani bano nibo bishe wa mukobwa. Baje kurana wa muyobozi wa FBI. Abantu bishe wa mukobwa ngo wari ukuriye bigaragambye. Hey! Bisobanuye iki? Tuvera tugaruke hakuri no. Barakwereka hano ni ku banyamakuru abanyamakuru kuganira ko Kajeta arababaye. Hari inkuru atari kubona neza.
Don't let baggy pants get to you.
I just can't believe Sarah falls for his blatant ass kissing.
Nanu ntabwo nemera ko Sara kira kiguryi kimuganiriza agaseka ubusa n'ukuntu cica akazi.
Found this on the police wire.
Bino nabisanze kuri polisi.
I think it is.
Bino abusura we ndaceka niwe. Wando muhamagaje ubundi ngashaka kumuha inkuru. Ugeza kubihuza.
A dream date, but he is kind of hot.
Uyu musore ndabona ari bogari.
By the DC Police Department, considered armed and mentally unstable.
Uyu musore ngo polisi iri kumuhiga ndetse baravuga ko mu mutwe atarameze neza yasase. Uko leta yatangiye guhiga wa musore ashaka gutanga amakuru bavuga ngo umutwe ntago yuzuye ntago ari muzima ni umusazi ari guhigwa.
Possession. Disturbing the peace.
Yaje kurara byigaho ni Kajete. Ngafite imbunda. Kirano ari wakomanze. Nyubako wa munyamakuru kazi muzaje kumureba.
Jones?
Niwe bita Mina Jones?
Maybe.
Ahari.
Information about your story.
Ngufite amakuru ku nkuru ushaka kwandika.
Away.
Ya wa muntu wirukanse. Hey. Leta hano y'Amerika kumenya ko umuntu yashatse gutanga amakuru akakugeraho nawe wa munyamakuru nawe bahise bamugeraho.
This isn't an interview. Please, turn it.
Zimya ko radio nago njano ngo nkoresha interview. Arazimya.
You tell me. Why did you chase him away?
Has he contacted you again? Listen. He's wanted on multiple counts. You're an accessory after the fact.
For stopping by and informing me. Mr. Not an agent.
He's unbalanced.
Not our friend Dusty's problems. Guess you don't have a subscription to the police wire. Are we done?
I don't know what his intentions were, or why he made contact with you. He's not a source for you to make your fledgling career on.
Nothing about me or my fledgling.
James Van Dorn?
No.
Mr. Van Dorn and his wife lived in a comfortable 6-bedroom Montrose Park. Them and their 3 kids. Not enough for him. The thing for his secretary. He made a mistake. And he disowned. 30. Struggling journalist. Sized apartment. A pseudonym. Demanded she spare him the embarrassment.
ariko se yaramutaye kugira ngo umunyamakuru atazitwa igisebo yamubyaranye na secretary.
You sued for libel or fired.
Wa mukobwa uwo munyamakuru mvuga ni weho mbega yashaka kumwumvisha kamuzi n'amateka yose n'umwana uyu mukobwa bamubyaranye na secretary saramuta kubera ari ifite undi mugore n'abana no kumwumvisha ko bamuzi neza n'ubuzima bwe nabase.
For confirming that there is a story. Good night.
Rabizura muki umva muko.
He contacts you, you contact me.
Uriya mugabo nagwa amagara ashaka kuguha inkuru nuzasohora iyo nkuru ubwo nawe uzahituma amagara.
Don't play news hero.
Don't play news hero. Niwigire babantu bashaka gutangaza inkuru ngo bitwe intwari ngo barwaniye iki niki ngo batangaza inkuru zihanganye na leta ya Amerika. Ibyo bintu ntubyigire nimba udashaka ibibazo. Umuntu agwamagara ashaka kuvuga amakuru kuri leta uhita uduhamagara nawe atayari umuntu ushaka kubasebye. Hey, urushaka gutanga amakuru ku biro bikuru. Ikigo gikomeye nka FBI yose tinye. Uyu ngarasha afite flash hano. Afite flash drive.
Steve, we don't want trouble.
Dustin ntabwo dushaka ibibazo.
Robinson just
talk. Robinson ashaka kubana nawe.
You two can work out your difference.
Reka tumugushire mu biganireho.
Good plan.
Fire! Bani babicanye. Twabonye bica umukobwa utavuga rumwe na leta. N'uyu ushaka gutanga amakuru kuri FBI bamukurikiye. Bimeze bite? FBI kucyohereza abantu kwica abantu. Batavuga rumwe n'ubutegetsi. Bimeze bite? Dore umwana. Nawe yakoreraga leta. Ariko fire yabivuyemo. Ndetse ari kuvuga cyane amakuru ushaka gutanga. Kugira ngo umutima nama wanjye numve ko duhuza. Dore amasasu. Bimeze bite? Leta yohereje abantu ngo bamwice. Leta ya Amerika. Muntu utarakora subscribe kuri YouTube channel yacu agasobanuye films.com no filime ziri gusohokera zose. Menya ko nawe ibintu utazabishobora nta gahunda uragira koko. Umuyobozi wa FBI wabohereje. Ubwo ndi kuvuga ngo ni leta kiba ari ikintu kinini cyane. Natwe tuba turi leta. Musora cishene. Yakurikiwe. Musore yakomeretse. Nimba batamurasha. Katururi. Warashaka gutanga amakuru. Ano ari umunyamakuru.
He shows up at my door and tries to intimidate me.
Umugabo wa FBI yaje ku muryango wanjye agerageza kuntera ubwoba.
Maybe he's not so crazy after all.
Anambwira ngo umuntu namuhamagara naduhamagara ashaka kuduha amakuru ngo tumenye ko ari umusazi kumva uwo muntu misi nabonye none ko atari umusazi. Umuntu leta izika ikihagurukira ikaza no kukwireberera umunyamakuru tumenya ko uwo muntu atari umusazi.
Start adding some actual detail because right now the only story you're writing is in your head.
Wa mukobwa ngiye cyo mbona inkuru ushaka kwandika ni kuri mutwe gusa ariko nta kintu cyatari cyabaye.
No. You're the eager one.
Wari wabantu bagira ishyushyu ryo kwandika inkuru ngiri gutwika hano hanze wasaze.
You should take note of the obvious and then scrutinize what the obvious obscures.
Byaba byiza ugiye wandika akantu ku kandi ukabanza ukitondera inkuru.
I can't see.
Kugira ngo ubashe kuba wamurikirwa ubone ibyo amaso atabona.
Tread lightly.
You've got a call.
Urahamagawe uretse.
It's your secret admirer.
Ni wa muhungu mwibanga rikomeye cyane umaze iminsi ushaka.
Mira.
Uyu ni Mira cyase kajete uri filime kumbura munyamakuru uyu mugabo ari kumucunga uyu mukobwa bamubwiye ati wikwigira intwari yitangaza makuru ngo uzi kwandika ngo uratwika umukobwa kajete yaguze akamotodo agendaho wa FBI aramukurikira uvuze ngo umugabo ashobora kuba yemera kajete nimba yisemo kare umuntu yahinkura akayisohora refiri mbibutse ukeneye kwamaza ugasobanuye nimero uhamagara ni zazindi z'icyicaro gikuru cya Rock Entertainment niyo cyicaro gikuru cy'agasobanuye mu Rwanda niho bibera rebe komeza imbere zi yo
even in its best state is but
nako no kumbera bari kuganira
in its worst state it's an intolerable evil.
Ibyo bintu ntago ari ibintu byo kwihanganirwa.
Last night,
yazakurina
store a news program about today's state of the world. But you'd be wrong. Those words
kumbe dore umukobwa yahageze tayari ari kuhana amakuru na wa musore dore abantu baje gutangira amakuru muri film. Rebe yo hey sora kimona cishane barakurikira e film yo yababonyera baza bari kuvuga harabazi hey katururi yo baby
we got him. Sir, you need to slow down.
Yakwa ufite kugenda gahoro. To secretary zirayobera ku musore mane kwa FBI security nkamwe uyavayo yo ziyavayo arakurikira urebe be film hey tarajya kure garukana yarukan Dusty birahagije Dusty to nimwe se sasa ni nugwanyisho kandi kirashaje
just like that
ngwino ngujyane gutyo gusa
you that's to kill me
yakwereza bicenye ngubanyishe
send anyone did you
umuntu wohereje ngakwica to se nimwe turushirwa amatwi cyane
you can't bullshit me
nagwambeshe tera kandi se muze afite ukuntu funira mu mavi se ni ndwaye cyana kumusaza kamaze kuzamo cyana kiramukanda akurya kanya tachishen itagico
you're slipping you're losing your edge
muze utangiye kujunyerera utangiye gusaza kabisa
I can help you come back with dignity
nagufasha kugaruka icubero cyawe
you can't run from
ubuzima bwanyu burandambiwe
find you cut you off at the knees
bazagushaka kandi uzabihanirwa na leta
you're telling this journalist
ibyo uri kubwira abanyamakuru byose
that's 30
biraza kwitwa treason biritwa ubugambanyi bw'igihugu
you're not thinking straight
ntabwo uri gutekereza neza
it was all part of the job you just got in too deep
utangiye kwica akazi
we're killing innocent civilians people that
turi kwica inzirakarengane twoherejwe na leta
the bureau
FBI the bureau guteze ubizi ute
because I was one of the agents ordered to do the killing
kuko ndumwe mu agent leta yoherezaga kwica abasivili b'inzirakarengane
under whose order
ari ndugutumye se ngujye kwica inzirakarengane Robinson umuyobozi wa FBI ibyo uri kumurega birakomeye cyane umunyamakuru avayo
I'm going to prove it
gendaza kubigaragaza ko leta iri kwica abaturage b'inzirakarengane
Dusty
atarajya kure baramwica faya namuze ahubwo bashaka kumurasiramo gasani arishwe rikaravuze ati impamvu ugenda gushaka gushyira leta hanze leta igidutuma kwica abantu b'inzirakarengane umusore bahise bamusaka bamukuramo ya flash drive Yo. Kuyemo. Hey. Mukuyemo memory stick. Cyangwa se flash drive. Byose ni bimwe.
What just happened?
Bigenze bite?
Do you know who those men were?
Bari abantu urabazi.
Do you?
Wese urabazi?
They say to you.
Dusty yakubwiye ngo iki?
He was bringing
yaratangiye kumbwira n'umusore upfuye.
What was he bringing you?
Yarakubwiye ngo iki yarakuzaniye iki?
This is all my fault.
Byose namakosa yanjye.
Mira, look at me.
Kajete ndeba.
Was.
Mbwira byari biki yaraje kukubwira.
Documents.
Yambwiraga amadokima.
His
amadokima ki? Ngo amategeko bamuhaye.
Proof.
N'ibimenyetso. Uyu nawe utangiye kumenya amakuru atarazi ko hari aba-agent batumwa kwica inzira karenganiza abasivile baje gushyingura kandi ntago babikaza ushyingurwa shaho n'abantu bakiyupfiriye muri biriya bihugu. Hano muri Afurika twebwe harashya umuntu yapfuye ni show. Hey, harashya Iwana umunsi naci nzapfa mbere yanyu nanjye rero igenye. Dore Robinson ukuna murebura niwe muyobozi wa FBI. Uriya mwana ajya gupfa yavuze turi Robinson ajya dutuma kujya kwica inzira karenganiza abasivili. Kandi twararahiriye kurinda igihugu ntago ari ukwica abasivili no kubarinda.
Something on your mind?
Hari icyo uri gutekereza?
It's a sad day, no doubt.
Ni umunsi ubabaje nta gushidikanya. Bose katubwizanye ukuri.
It had a few too many loose screws.
Uriya mwana yaratangiye gutandukira. Ariko yarafite azaza yeza mpa kubwo hazaga. Cyangwa se ubwo ari umuntu wamusunikirizaga umwana akarengera.
Still don't know who those two men were.
Bari abantu babiri bamwishe ntago bazi.
At this point we still don't know.
Natwe ubu ntago turabamenye abo bantu bamwishe. Bari abantu bamwishe twabonanye n'uyu musaza. Profis. Ntabwo yarakwiriye gupfa kuri.
For him, you got distracted.
Icyabaje kubera yo usa nka warangaye.
We wouldn't be wearing these suits today.
Iyo uza ko warakoze akazi kawe neza ntago twakabaye twambaye amasuti y'umukara uyu munsi. Cyase twaje gushingura.
It's back where it needs to be. Plenty more souls to save.
Reka dutekereza abandi ba agent bari mu bibazo dukwiye gutabara nabo bameze nkawe. Bashaka kuyubaca batari gukora akazi kabo neza na musore ujya kubatabara. Uzihavayo. Katurori. Byo birabaye.
What are you watching, Grandpa?
Urareba iki sogoko?
Oh, nothing, sweetie.
Ndikora filime zasobanuye na Rocky Sweetie.
Lammy should be in bed.
Muzukuru wanjye nukura abari zo filime zonyine uzajya ureba za Rocky. Ziba ziri mu ubwenge niko yakabwiye.
Come here.
Ngwino nguha uburere ubundi uzajya ubukura kuri filime za Rocky. Ngo niho uburere ababyeyi basigaye bohereza abana kubukura kuko baba bagiye mu kazi.
I think I'm worried about you.
Ndakeka mpangayikishijwe nawe.
You sound like your mother.
Tangiye kuvuga nka nyoko.
To worry about.
Nta mpamvu yo guhangayika. Mukana.
Oh.
Iza.
You know, some people live their entire lives thinking they're doing the right thing.
Hari abantu b'ubuzima bwabo bwose batekereza ko bari gukora ikintu cya nyacyo.
It means doing whatever is proper.
Ndetse no byasaba ko bakora icyo ari cyo cyose.
Good guys always win.
Kugira ngo abantu beza bari batsinda.
One day you wake up and realize.
Hakubwo wowe wakeka gukora akazi keza kubyuka ukamenya ko.
The good guys are anymore.
Ukibaza ati se ubuzima bwanjye nabayeho ndi umuntu mwiza nkora akazi keza cyangwa ntago ari akazi keza. Bivuze ngo umusore watangiye kwibaza ati se akazi nakoraga nako kurinda aba agent na akazi keza leta yanumaga gukora ko gutabara bari abasore cyane akazi kabi. Kuko nimbatangira kumva ko abamutumaga ngo ajye gutabara abo bantu. Umusore yapfuye avuga ati nge bantumaga kwica abandi. Umusore watangiye gutekereza ati se ndinda abantu ndabahemukira muri iki. Atangiye kwishidikanya nimba akorera leta akora akazi keza cyangwa akora akazi kabi. Katururi azi waruzi nguru umuntu mwiza ukurera korera leta ukumva warwanyaga nanone abandi leta yoherezaga kwica abantu bakaza kubireka ni ikibazo. Kajeta ari hano yabyiboneye barasa umuntu. Jya mu rugo uruhuke. Fata nk'iminsi 2 akaruhuko. Kajeta Mira kitwa Mira kubwa yikanze baramubwiye ati izo nkuru wiyandikisha sha wa mwana we. Kajete dore nguyu.
Hey.
Tarajya kuri.
Are you following me?
Tangiye kunkurikirana.
Well, they did want to come see you.
Oya nari nje kukureba. Meze ute?
Not so good.
Ntago meze neza.
You like whiskey?
Ukunda kunywa se inzoga yitwa United Gin yageze ku isoko.
Everything Dusty told you?
Ibi nibyo Dusty yakubwiye mbere yuko apfa. Baje kunywa United Gin, inzoga iri kubikora ni whisky yageze mu Rwanda. Icupa rigura make. Ewana kiriya cyuma kiri kunkorera akazi. Karakayoga kari VIP kandi kuri make. Babongereza indi United Gin. Babongera indi.
Are you being followed?
Wakurikiwe? Ahari. Tunywemo. Umugabo wicaye hirya.
Story short, he was a deep cover agent in Miami.
Uriya yahoze ari maneko muri Miami.
With the cocaine he was tracking.
Yari gukurikirana abantu bacuruza cocaine.
And he was in the Everglades.
Ubwo namusangano yari atangiye kuyinywa.
For sport.
Atangiye kujya kirana rwana n'abantu.
Friend?
Not a friend.
Ni inshuti nagari inshuti. Ni dena ahubwo mbamo.
Saving his life.
Kuba naratabaye ubuzima bwe. Uyu musore baragiye atabara ubuzima bw'abantu benshi abatumwe kuneka biyobyabwenge no bagatangira kubinywa baba maneko nabyo bibaho. Yego sa umuntu yatumwe na FBI kuneka abacuruzi biyobyabwenge ariko kugira ngo bereke ko nawe nyine urimo neza gashiduka babikunywesheje ukazatwarwa ukanywa byinshi noneho utangiye kuremba akazi urumva kaba kakunaniye. Uyu niho yinjirira akaza kugutabara akagukura. Hari ibitekerezo biri kwisubiramo mu mutwe wanjye.
Sometimes I can usually suppress the thought.
Obsessive compulsive.
Sometimes the obsessing makes me better at what I do.
Rimwe na rimwe akazi cyangwa ikintu ngiye gukora kumva ku mutima wanjye ari cyuriho cyane nkagikurikirana bituma ngakora neza.
What happened to you?
Byakugendekeye bite?
I screwed up.
Nakoze amakosa.
I served one tour in Vietnam. I wasn't even 20.
Nagiye muri Vietnam kurwana.
1975.
Muri 75 ntaruzuza imyaka 20.
We pulled out all our troops and went home.
Ubwo badukuraga muri Vietnam dutashye na bato yacu.
Shooting with Robinson.
Njye kuri patrouille kumwe na Robinson. Uri usigaye yobora FBI. Yego.
We were talking about everything we would do when we got home.
Turi kuganira ibyo tuzakora ubwo tugeze mu rugo.
Corner into a dark alley.
Turi gukatanya Bugogo.
This man about to
mbona umugabo
rape a local woman.
Ari gufata ku ngufu umugore.
See, but it was obvious. He was pretty bad.
Ariko ntihagaragaraga neza.
I called out and he turned towards us.
Tuvugije induru umugabo arahaguruka. Ntekereza kanunza imbunda.
I shot him.
Mitamurasa uwo mugabo uri gufata ku ngufu. Uramwica? Cyane naramwishe.
That one happened.
Nyuma bigenda ute?
The woman ran off.
Uwo mugore bari gufata ku ngufu ariruka.
Up to the guy. He was
General Robinson umuyobozi wa FBI uyu munsi uriho. Hari kera ubwo bakira abasore tujya kureba.
Gun was a bottle of whiskey.
Wa mugabo nari ndashora utangiye gufata ku ngufu umukobwa nasanze burya nta mbunda yari afite atari yaranunze ubwo afite icupa ry'inzoga.
Commanding officer.
Robinson yaratuyoboye.
Robinson didn't.
Nibwo napanitse ntumutwe ariko we ntiyapanika.
It was that night. Walk away, walk away.
Robinson cyambwiye namwe ngo vano hunga genda ubwo wishe umuntu. Ndahunga.
Robinson joined the FBI.
Robinson ajya muri FBI. Turaburana.
15 years went by in the phone line.
Hashize imyaka 15 nibwo numvishe telefone y'isonnye. Arambwira ngo baramuzamuye.
If I would work directly for him.
Arambwira ngagiye kumakaza.
Said it was his job to protect the bureau and mine to protect his agents.
Arambwira ngo ngo ashinzwe kurinda aba agent ba FBI no kubakurikirana n'umuyobozi wa FBI. Wagiye kumakaza ngiye aba agent bananiwe akazi ngiye mbakurikirana ariko ngiye nta kontara ngira muri FBI.
Orders for a living.
Bivuze ngo n'umusore n'umugabo nakorera FBI we aripotinga ku muyobozi wa FBI ni umuhibira akambega akamubwira ati genda unzanire umu agent uri hano na hano genda unkorera ibi niba nta kontara ngira muri FBI. Ahabwa clearance gusa cyasa akaripotinga ku muyobozi wa FBI.
Then intimidating journalists. What other kind of bad stuff?
Nibindi bihe bibi ukora usibye gukanga abanyamakuru.
Like?
Breaking and entering, extortion, occasional physical coercion.
Rimwe na rimwe ngakubita abantu, kwica.
That's not on my menu.
Oya ibyo byo nago biri kuri menu yanjye. Kwica abantu nago njya mbikora nkubita abantu rimwe na rimwe iyo noherejwe aba agent nkavunagura nkabasubiza mu kazi.
I changed my name not for my father and his family but out of respect for my mother.
Nago nahinduye izina papa yari yaranyise nkiri muto kubera kubaha papa. Ahubwo nicyuna n'imfite mama wanjye wapfuye.
Asked him for anything.
Papa wanjye kuva yanyenga nta kintu kimwe nigeze musaba.
My name to hers.
Maze gukura nahinduye izina niyitirya mama ho kwiyitirya papa.
So, Mr. Block?
None Mr. Block?
What now?
None dukora iki rero ubu? Uyu mugabo nawe atangiye kutavuga rumwe na ba Robinson. Atangiye kubakeka kuba abica akazi. Dore Robinson umuyobozi wa FBI umusore ni wakora reporting.
What's Operation Unity?
Operation Unity ni iki?
Nothing that concerns you.
Ibyo nago bikureba.
You know, I've always respected my position in our arrangement.
nawe ziteka nubaha amasezerano n'ibyo dukorana njye nawe.
Be the one who decides what concerns me.
None ubu ninjye ugiye kujya mitamo n'iki kindeba n'iki kitandeba.
The truth, Gabe.
Mbwiza ukuri Gabe, Robinson Gabe.
Or even ask.
Ibyo bintu ntuzongere kwimbaza iyo operation bita Unity.
You are killing innocent people.
Nuko wangura musoro pfiye.
Secret program.
Yavuga ukuri ko yica abantu.
Unity.
Ubinyishe muri operation yitwa Operation Unity.
You had him killed.
Wohereje abantu ngo bamwice Dust. Niwe wamwicishije. Uyaramusaka yumve ko nadukurura amajwi afite. Ntatwo mfite.
Not having this conversation.
Iki kiganiro ntago turi bukiganira. Turakiganira.
Need to come clean, Gabe.
You're confused. Our relationship.
Umubano wanjye nawe utangiye kwangiza.
You are my weapon.
Worankorera uri intwaro yanjye.
Easy years. That's all I am to you.
Kuko imyaka yose tumaranye ngiye mbona nk'intwaro yawe gusa. Yesu Kristo.
Have a short memory, Travis.
Travis bisa nkaho utangiye kwibagirwa.
Plucked you from your aimless life.
Ubuzima bwawe budafite intego ninjye wabugukuyemo.
Special.
Ugira ikintu kidasanzwe.
I also have a detailed record of every law you've ever broken.
Everything.
Mfite amadosiye agaragaza ibyaha byose wakoze.
I would suggest you show me a little gratitude.
Icyo ngusaba nyereka ko unshimira ibyo nagukoreye.
Anything that resembles a normal life.
Nimba wifuza kubana n'umwuzukuru wawe ubuzima busanzwe.
Travis. There is no out for you.
We kano kazi nagusigira ugasohokamo.
We are in this to the end.
Kano kazi uzankorera kugeza birangiye kugeza kwerezo.
Say it does.
Kugeza igihe nzakubwira ngo urahagaze.
My end is now.
Akazi nagukoreraga ndakarangije none nta kindi nzongera kugukorera. Umusore nta kontaragera muri FBI reporting ku muyobozi wa FBI. Ni wakorera.
Man.
Umukobwa ndasigaye afite imbwa agaburira. Umusore akazi akavuyemo. Agiye kubaza ibyitwa Operation Unity bari bamwishe. Rebe.
Hey, Pearl, what's news?
Pearl, bimeze bite? Inkuru yawe iri guhitinga.
What do you mean? I didn't write it.
Uravuga iki kiyo nkuru nigeze nyisohora?
Check the site.
Reba kuri website. Nkuru yasohotse. Kajete ya nkuru amaze iminsi ari kwandikaho ngo yasohotse kandi uravuga ko atayisohoye. Kuri banabona inkuru ye, cya kigori kibita Duru bakorana inkuru ye cyayisohoye. Dore ngiki. Ya nkuru amaze iminsi yandika ya wa mu agent.
I was just in the middle of
Cyayanditse abanyamakuru bibana inkuru. Wanyibiye inkuru.
I didn't want the story to get
maze igihe udakora nayisohoye.
Horseshit. You sent me home so you could steal my story.
Wamaye ikiruko ngo nsubire mu rugo urangije unsorera inkuru kajetaje kurwana inkuru ye bayisohoye yihigiye.
The only thing I'm too close to is punching you in the face.
Tumva nagukubita igipfunsi wakigoryiwe.
Story.
Guma kure y'inkuru zanjye. Wamaze iki gihe urakireba imipira kikabura kujya guhiga inkuru kigafata inkuru z'abandi banyamakuru kikaziba kikazandika kikaziyitirira. Iki kibye inkuru ya Kajete. Yebe. Kajete wo muri Kenya w'inshuti yanjye. Nta wundi nzi.
She's not coming over. Dinner for her right now.
Do you even know?
Umwana mwohereze dusangire icyo kurya cyane inshuro ndikugitegura.
Today.
For a school play that you promised you'd come to.
Uyu munsi ku ishuri wibuke ko aribwo umwana ari buze kuririmba nabwo ntago wagiye.
For the easy stuff.
Nimba wibagirwa utuntu duto kuri uriya mwana urumva ko kuzashobora kumuba hafi.
It wasn't one of them.
Umugabo hano n'ibintu bitangira kumenika afite stress z'akazi tangiye kwibagirwa nibazo byo muri famille kujya kureba karaka kuzukurwe ku ishuri.
I'm coming over.
Urabizi ndaje.
I want to apologize to her personally.
Ndashaka gusaba imbabazi uwo mwana turi kumwe.
Can't get out of your own way.
Watangiye guta umutwe.
Settling into an insecure, screwed up kid.
Sinshaka umwana wanjye azakura adatekanye afite ubwoba. Umuntu umusaza ari kumwe n'akana karabwira cyo kuzenguruka inzu rebe kinzi kinzi. Umutekano wawe wicungire nibyo ahora toza kuzukuruke. Yandi umwana akura nawe yumva ameze nk'umusirikare nta muntu yizera akantu kandi acunga. Kandi ubundi akana kangana kuri akaba kagomba gukura kishimye kazi k'abana ari beza n'isari nziza. Ariko wa munyamakuru wasohoye inkuru avuga ngo hari umu agent wa FBI ibiki ya nkuru babujije Kajete gusohora. Uyi nkuru yagiye arayisohora. Inkuru yayibye Kajete kubera kurwanira views arayisohora. Iyo nkuru nago FBI yabashimisha. Bagerageje no kuyikumira ngo idasohoka. Umusore ari hano. Film. Bamwita Murinda Nkuba.
You've reached Mira. You know what to do.
Hi, Mira.
Mira.
Drew. Just leaving the office now.
Ni Murinda Nkuba. Niko mvuye mu kazi.
I'm shit for jumping your story.
Umbare kuba inkuru yawe nayisimbukiye nkayisohora.
Feeling better.
Umbabarire pe. Uyu kureba inyuma. Abona yakurikiwe.
I've got to go.
Urabizi mfite kugenda ahita kupa Kajete. Ni Murinda Nkuba. Yasohoye inkuru ya Kajete. Isebya leta. Isebya FBI n'aba yiciwe muri iryo joro urebe filime ibintu byo gupfa gusorasora inkuru ko wiboneye Katururi yakurikiwe umunyamakuru yitwa Murindankuba yakurikiwe bimeze bite yakurikiwe ni kugasoma ni films.com filmu zisanga iyi filime yasohotse irijo kabari gashya yakurikiwe beza bitakura amashyira musi utwara akamodoka kabi Murindankuba akamodoka kabi bwa modoka ujya kumenesha amavuta kakakongeza nibwatwara bimeze bite yakurikiwe amagara polisi 911 tugufashe nakurikiwe ni ku muhanda ugana Nyabugogo guva mu Gatsata mutabare iki niki amagaye polisi bamukozaho yakurikiwe ibyo gupfa kwisoresha inkuru ko mubonye yasohoye inkuru ayibye nabwo atari nawe wayikurikiranye bari kwisura bimwisuriye mu rugo kumubwira ati ibyo bintu byo kwigira intwari zo gusohora inkuru ucunge sana ko tarakujya kure bamukoresha impanuka bari bamukurikiye bamukoresha impanuka bamuteye ubwoba mpaka arenga umuhanda akora impanuka ni Murindankuba bagabo bavayo babasore babiri barabanza bareba uwo bagonze menya apfuye bareba n'uyu Murindankuba niko Murindankuba harya ngo meze neza sinzi bibi bahise bamwica ijosi bararigobanyije n'abagabo badaseka gake bakora akazi kabo kuri FBI barayishinja kwica abene igihugu b'inzira karengane bahita binjira mu modoka nziza bahita baco abagabo bambara udukoti badaseka nta kintu ngo gisekeje barabona hano hari recordings inkuru nizere kumeze neza kajete kuba inkuru nayisoye ya ninjoro rwe mu magara uri kubyumva mu ijwi rye hari cyamubayeho.
No, I hear you. I see the dots you're connecting, and yes.
Ndetse no kubibona ibintu biri kugerageza kugenda uza kajete baje kubwira umuyobozi w'ikinyamakuru.
Suggesting that the head of the FBI had Drew killed because he
Kuze ngo umuyobozi wa FBI kubera inkuru yasoye yicishije Murindankuba.
Yeah.
Yego.
Listen, honey, we're all heartbroken.
Twese urabona turabaye kubera urupfu rwa Murindankuba.
This is probably just a bad accident.
Ariko ishobora kuba ari n'impanuka yamubayeho.
I don't know, whatever it might have been, but honestly, at this point, sitting here playing detective.
Gusa kwicarana mu kazi kacu tukigira nkaho turi ba detective barabashinzwe gukurikirana iperereza. No kwinjiza ibyo bintu bya conspiracy theory ntago ari sawa. Akagambane gakorwa n'inzego zo hejuru n'iki.
Operation Unity. That's what Dusty called it.
Operation Unity niko Dusty yabishembere yavutubwiye ngo niko yitwa.
Crossing the line, killing innocent civilians.
Ndetse avuga kuri mugabo Robinson umuyobozi wa FBI ngo yarengereye atangiye kwica inzira karengane.
My articles about Sophia Flores.
Ndetse nanjye bashatse kunyica kubera zira nkuru nanditse kuri Sophia Flores uriya wishwe.
Killed in an accidental hit and run unless.
Nawe wibuke ko yapfiriye mu mpanuka ya hit and run baramugonze bariruka bacaho.
It's an accident.
Kiretse nimba no atari impanuka yamwishe.
So you think she was murdered by the FBI and that is what crossed Dusty's line?
Bivuze ngo nawe biravugwa ko
if what you're saying is true, it is right now, this could wipe out the FBI's highest ranks. Correct. And we play this wrong, we could both end up like this.
Do you
still want to pursue it?
We're sorry. The number you have reached is not in service.
Nimero uhamagaye ntago ibashe gucamo. Uze sinzi umuntu ari guhamagara nimero nticemo.
We're sorry. The number you have reached is
Nimero ukomeje guhamagara nyirayo bisa nk'adaheruka no gushyira simu card yayo muri telefone. Yarahamagaye baramuhakanira ati iyo nimero ntibaho ntinacamo. Gusa kureba kamera zimwe yestaye mu rugo rwe rw'umukobwa we n'umwuzukuru we. Sanga ntago connectinze kuri telefone kugira mu rugo. Inzira rangaye. Injiramo shikuru umwuzukuru n'umukobwa ahantu babaga imbere ari guhamagara zabo ntago ziri gucamo
Mr. Block, but your
Mr. Block
no longer goes to school here.
umwuzukuru we ntago akiza ku ishuri gasani.
Did her mother say where they were moving?
No.
But her school records, they had to be forwarded somewhere.
No, no one asked.
Muri umwana bamwimuye ku kigo ntibavuga n'ikindi kigagiyeho wapi
Actually, we're given plenty of notice.
gasani. muze yabuze umwuzukuru n'umukobwa w'icyarimwe.
The hospital.
umukobwa wanjye Amanda yaruka ku bitaro ryari Amanda yareguye ntago agikora ku kazi ku bitaro nyagasani. abuze umukobwa ngo yeguye ku kazi umwuzukuru yahinduye ikigo cy'amashuri ngo ntago yaruka kuza ku ishuri weruka kumva natari ryari wapi muze yaje gukora iperereza abuze umwuzukuru we abura n'umukobwa we bimeze bite
Any idea where they might be?
nta gitekerezo cy'ahantu baba bari
No idea where they might be.
nta gitekerezo cy'ahantu baba bari muze yabuze umukobwa we uyaje kureba video itangira nk'imwe twatangiranye umukobwa avuga ati nimba ari abantu bakwiye gutunga intoki ni leta imbwa isohoka yiruka umukobwa ntaryamye ni filime yo kura y'icyuma ni kajete mu rugo rwe umukobwa agenda n'agatinya umukobwa ujya gukingura akabyukana icyuma ndebere nawe ngo umukobwa dufite abantu barakomanga akabyukana icyuma ni umunyamakuru kazi wo muri Amerika aho ndebere mfite ubwoba ninde ni njyewe
It's okay.
It's
Pearl.
Ni Pearl mbere mugenzi
Dinner?
nanjye ngo dusangire ibya nijoro.
What am I looking at?
Dusty Crane's rap sheet I pulled off the police wire.
ibyo ni amakuru nakuye kuri polisi avuga kuri wa musore wapfuye Dusty.
Federal agent.
amakuru twamenye yahoze ari maneko FBI.
His main system.
To protect his identity.
bivuze ngo amakuru barakomeje kuhesha kugira ngo barinde ibimuranga.
The only reason to do that would be to spread misinformation in order to discredit him as a potential source.
impamvu batigeze uvuga ko yagiye kuri polisi no kugerageza kugira ngo nanapfa bakomeze bayishira ibintu batamenya ko ari umu agent wa FBI wapfuye.
I could buy that.
batangiye kwinjira mu banga akomeye. filime tuvera tugaruke yakora ine.
What did you do?
wakoze ibiki?
Return. You ready to get back in the saddle?
witeguye gusubira mu kazi? Family yanjye iri hehe?
How the hell would I know?
nabimenya ne?
Find out you had anything to do with Amanda and my granddaughter.
ninde mukamenya ko arawuriye?
You're gonna need more men.
nibura ry'umwuzukuru wanjye n'umukobwa wanjye uraza kwitabaza abandi barinzi barenza abo.
You're going on about.
ibyo uvuga ntabyo nzi.
Now I know you got a lot swirling around that skull of yours.
icyo nzi cyo muri ako gahanga kawe harimo ibibazo byinshi uri kwibaza ubu.
We always had each other's back.
gusa umenye ko ngenda umuntu wawe nawe uri umuntu wanjye mwana.
Now, let's go to the office and talk about saving souls.
ngwino tujye muri office tuganire ukuntu tugiye gutabara ubuzima bw'abandi ba agent.
No. It's over.
nakubwiye ko ngiye nawe akazi karangiye.
That's the wrong decision.
uwo ni umwanzuro we kandi ni umwanzuro mubi.
Excuse me.
kanigire mu kazi mwambura mukoro ahita caho.
Last chance.
mahirwe yanyu.
Where are they?
bari hehe?
We're the FBI.
twe turi FBI.
Don't involve ourselves in petty domestic disputes.
ntago FBI ijya yivanga mu tubazo tw'amafuti nk'utwo ngutwo two mu ngo ngo umwana ngo yabuze ibyo ni ibibazo bijya kuri polisi.
Edgar Hoover once said in a public forum, no less, that the
ibyaha bikomeye FBI bikurikirana bikomeye pana kubabwira ngo hari akana kabuze ngo ibyo bikurikirwa na polisi isanzwe.
exist to substantiate the charge.
yaje yakuri kuganira baba agent ajya atuma kwica abantu ni Robinson.
If I were to say that in public today, I can just imagine the
ibyo bintu bivuye muri public
would wash me out of this office.
ibyo bintu ni ukuri ariko mbivugiye muri public mu baturage wabona ukuntu itangazamakuru rinsarana cyane bakavuga ngo ni negura.
But that doesn't mean it's still not the truth.
itangazamakuru rishyiraho igitutu umuyobozi ubundi akegura.
I have
riba ari pouvoir ya kane nibwo bwoba baba bafite hariya.
as what we do may sound. History tells us that spilling a little blood is absolutely necessary to maintain law and order.
ibaza umuyobozi uvuga ijambo nk'iryo ariko
Didn't
ngo amateka tubwira ko kumena amaraso make ariko atari menshi biri mu bintu bidufasha nk'abayobozi kugira ngo dusigasire amategeko n'amabwiriza bikurikizwe n'abaturage. yagasani ngo niko amateka avuga uwo ni umuyobozi.
I may be out of line here.
siko bya bintu biba bikaze we.
Would you like us to have a word with him?
none se Travis nimba yatangiye kurengera wareka tukajya kumuganiriza. umva ariko abicanyi ukuntu babwira boss wabo Travis nimba atangiye kurengera wareka tukajya kumuganiriza Travis ni wa musaza ubwo kumuganiriza nawe urabyumva nimba abicanyi bavuze ari twagenda tukamuganiriza tukumva ibye ubwo nuko kwica abicanyi se bakuganiriza iki ubundi abagizi ba nabi barenze ntago baza basaze basakuza hano kwitangaza amakuru no bari tumeje kwibaza ukuri ngo bari bikwire
FBI agents following us home.
And then there's that.
Fine. You want more proof? I'll just call the FBI and ask for an interview with the asshole that killed Dusty.
Mira.
Okay, njeno reka mpamagara kuri FBI bamensa interview ngane n'umuyobozi wa FBI mbaza impamvu yishe Dusty ibaze kajeto ukuntu yasaze.
Specifics who can fill in the basics. The who, the what, the when. And if we're lucky,
ikintu dukwiye kubanza kumenya mbere yo kujya muri FBI no kubanza kumenya impamvu no kubera iki niryari niki cyabiteye cyatuma umuyobozi wa FBI yicuriye musore.
Cover up with another cover up and they'll spin it as some top secret.
Itise nuramuka utangiye kubisakuza barakomeza babishire nawe bakwica bakomeza babihishira.
People need to know the truth.
Abaturage bakwiye kumenya ukuri. Nanjye nuko noze nekereza. Ntabwo kibitekereza.
Undecided.
Jukuru ubu ntago nkibireba ibyo n'umuyobozi.
In the happiness of the unknown.
Sigaye numva nabaho ibyishimo byo kwirengagiza ukuri nk'umunyamakuru kuko iyo ushatse gutangaza amakuru menshi urabizira. Bari kwica inzira karinganiza abaturage bayobozi. Duceceke.
That is messed up.
Barengereye. Nyine.
Nail these assholes.
Abo bajinga bari kwica abaturage reka tubashyire hasi abo n'abanyamakuru. Uyu nawe naryamye akomeje guhamagara impande zose amenye umwana w'umukobwa ya Amanda n'umwuzukuru bari hehe Natali akuzukuru ke Natali bwa Natali wabufunze umutwe shaho
protection
bw'ubwana nakuzukuru kitwa Natali
Amanda and Natalie.
Ndashaka Amanda na Natali ari guhamagara ahantu hose yaba araho banyweraga aho basohokeraga ibyicungo biba hehe na he urakoze uzi nta hantu hose atari guhamagara umva buze umwuzukuru n'umukobwa we nta hantu udahamagara Block.
Oh yeah, Mira. Listen,
Mva Kajeti.
Now's not a good time.
Kinagari igihe cyiza cyo guhura nawe. Kajeti umuhamagaye.
You have?
Ufite iki se ufite iki?
Robinson's very capable when it comes to cleaning up his messes.
Robinson ni umuhanga cyane iyo bigeze mu bintu byo guhishira ibibi yakoze.
Quote.
Arabisibanganya ku buryo utabibona. Ni umuyobozi wa FBI.
Person you want as a source.
Ninjye muntu wanyu mudakeneye gukura amakuru yo gushyira mu binyamakuru.
No, but my hands are dirty.
Ndabizi ariko nanjye hari byanakoze.
There, my credibility.
Nuko ngo nanjye nuramukunanze kuko hari byanatumwe nura muyobozi wa FBI gukora biteme n'amategeko. Hari igihe nabigenderamo.
I'm protecting myself. Probably wind up like Dusty.
Bitise ngomba kwirindira izina ryanjye cyase nanjye bikarangira mbaye nka Dusty wapfuye bakanyica. Eshugera n'umunyamakuru.
I overdid it for almost 50 years.
Nakazi nkoze imyaka irenga 50. Yuko imbere agiye mu gipolisi nako mu gisirikare mu Vietnam muri 75 ku Rwanda adafite imyaka.
On Capitol Hill and in the White House.
You can't let them get away with this.
Ntabwo twabihora ngo ibi byaha bibigendane gutyo.
You're wrongs.
What's done is done. There's no going backwards.
Then
ibyabaye byarabaye ntabwo n'ubundi byasubira inyuma.
From abusing his power in the future.
Uriya mugabo uri kwangiza imbaraga leta yamuye mbega ari kuzikoresha nabi.
He probably will.
Remember, it's your job to protect.
Wibuke kari akazi kayo kurinda aba agent. Kandi uri kubakoresha n'abaramuzi n'umuyobozi wa FBI.
As long as I've worked for Robinson, I've never heard of Operation Unity.
Igihe cyose nakoreye Robinson ntabwo nigeze numva avuga Operation Unity.
The people don't talk out of turn.
Maybe, but secrets this big can't hide forever.
Gusibanga nk'iryo ntabwo n'ubundi yarihisha iteka.
Robinson has a safe in his house.
Robinson afite safe mu rugo mu nzu.
And everything the bureau touches.
Niwe ahisha ibintu bye byose by'amabanga yose atabasha kujyana muri office ya FBI.
Security blanket. Ammunition in case anyone decides to turn against him. If there's a paper trail on Operation Unity.
Nimba ari ibipapuro bigaragaza amabanga cyase n'ibi byose byakozwe muri Operation Unity bishobora kuba bitse muri yo safe iri mu rugo iwe. Ubwo niho hantu nyine bashobora gukura ayo makuru. Katururi. Yeah. Katururi. Muze yaje hakunino. Dore igikoresho. Kumbe abicanyi twazikare bavuga ati ese tujye kumuvugisha. Beze biti. bicanyi ngo baje kumuganira. Urabona bicanyi ukuntu baza kuganiriza bameze, baraje ngo babiganireho, dore ukuntu ariko baza ngo mubiganireho. Ubundi abagome ntabwo bajya basara ngo bavuze induru ngo uriya muginga tuzamu, oya ni gahora. Uriya muzehe kumbi inzu yisohotsemo kare, arabarenza, amatara arayatsa barenze. Ubona abana bajeje bundi mu kazi, bageze mu nzu yiri hanze kure cya rocket launch hano. Urabe muzehe ahita turitse imodoka bagendamo ya leta. Bano bana arabarenze, batangiye kumwoherezaho n'ababicanyi. Babonye ko atangiye kutavuga rumwe n'umuyobozi wabo. Ndagira nkurikire filime. Mwambonye se? Mwambonye? N'undi munsi ahita caho.
What do you mean he blew up your car?
Urambwira iki imodoka yanyu yayiturikije?
Grenade launcher.
Yayirashe. Robinson dore nguyu.
I must never underestimate that man.
Uriya mugabo ntabwo nkwiye kujya musuzugura kabisa. Barwananye muri Vietnam muri iki gisaza none iki cyabaye ikiyobozi gitangiye kwica abantu, atangiye guhangana nacyo.
He's here.
Ndakeka ari hano.
As in my front door.
Ari ku muryango wanjye.
Not too busy. You might want to stop by.
Nimba mudawuze cyane mungereho muze mundebe, ndabona ari iwanjye. Ukuvuga yivugiraga nimba mudawuze mwangeraho, ubwo kandi nitegeka babahaye ati mubanguke.
Expecting you.
Ntabwo nari mwiteguye.
Got a minute.
Ufite umunota ngo tuganire. Ni karibu. Ni karibu. Rebe.
You sent them. I sent them.
Wabohereje nde?
You know, if you were just honest with me.
Nyamara ubwishe kuri.
More respect for you.
Nanjye nakuba.
It's in a friendly pop in.
Bivuze ngo nagusha bya gishuti.
All your files on Operation Unit.
Ndashaka amadosiye yawe yose avuga kuri Operation Unit. Kura y'imbunda. Gabriel nyereka. Ni Gabriel, ubwo ni Gabi. Niyo mpamvu bamwitaga Gabe. Ba Gabe ubundi usanga ari ba Gabriel.
Are you really gonna shoot me, Travis?
Travis ko kurandasa. Ndakurasa.
I will.
Ndakurasa. Afite safe mu rugo rwe. Ka safe kaba gakenewe rimwe na rimwe aragafunga. Mugabo kumbe muri safe ye. Nta byinshi bira nimba bavuze ngo umugabo muri safe yarimo amadokima. Ayo madokima asigaye bari kuri disque deal. Yakuye disque deal acomekana. Nta muntu ukibika ibipapuro ibyo bintu bya kera.
The world isn't ready to see what's on that drive.
Isi ntabwo yiteguye kubona ibintu biri kuri iyo disque deal.
It's better than the alternative.
Ariko nibyo biruta kurusha bira bindi bakora afungura dosivuga kuri dust. Muze ariruka. Rebe. Uyaramukurikira. Kugera n'abicanyi bamaze kwagera hanze tayari. Turi intwaro. Turi intwaro ari amadosiye uriya musore muzaje gutwara. Nta gisi ngo yiteguye kuyabona. Hari ibintu isi yose bititeguye kubona. Urebe. Zera banza reba inzu yose. Acana buji. Saza akora akazi ke neza tuje nta guhubuka. Abicanyi bazengurutse inzu ye. Nta gupanika arabanza amena amazi hano. Amena itiyo. Amazi abameneka mu nzu. Nta gupanika. Abicanyi bagiye kumwinjirana. Barabanza akupa amashanyarazi. Abicanyi batarinjira. Bikangamo. Bano bana barusha akazi. Baje mu kazi ejo bundi muzehe yarwanye za Vietnam. Bicanyi barinjira. Zakura y'imbunda. Urebe. Bindani. Katururi. Yo. Urebe. Yo. Ese biti. Yo. Sasu. Muzehe. Sasu. Ese biti. Yeah. Yo. Rebe. Ngimbere. Bicanyi batoshwe.
I recommend you walk away.
nabagira inama yo kuvana mu kagenda iyi ntambara si yanyu mwe muri abantu bahabwa amabwiriza gusa iyi ntambara mwayivuyemo katari yanyu mwabana urebe yo hey mama we fire Robinson arabakoresha gusa uko nanjye yankoresheje twe tumeze nk'amasasu ari muri chamber ye chamber ni ari amasasu yibikwa mu mbunda bayita muri chamber twe tumeze nk'amasasu yohereza akoresha ntabwo twitayeho rebe fire fire do kigabo giteza mirwari masasu dore amacupa ya marikeri y'amave mu nzu ari abagabo mu nzu usanga bafite icyumba cy'amayoga kinini birahagije rimwe kabiri arica yo Mintan yo yo rebe kichifayo fire fire to muzee kubana bashabuka bagwa muri ya mazi yamenye muri ya mazi yamenye bakura y'imbunda rebe ni babiri bari muri ya mazi yamenye ni babicanye muzee avayo shiramo indi magazine sasu masasu yo yewe yo do yeah bifatwa n'amashanyarazi byari bihagaze mu mazi kupura amashanyarazi kubitwa n'amashanyarazi arongera arayakupa muzi urebe arabishe icyo birabaye maze kubyibonera ko umugabo aripotinga amakuru atari umuntu mwiza ibyo bamushinja ari byo nimba n'abageze bamwoherereza abantu ngo bamwice ikibazo do muze dore nguyu Travis meze nabi yakubititse nawe yarashwe yo kwerekana ruwaje
Who are you?
Urinde
This is Pearl.
Pearl.
Me, please.
Don't shoot her.
Can we trust her with this?
Kano gakobwa twakwizera. Yego. Twakwizera. Kisaza cyane akurasa cyarahumye kandi nago gihubuka. Kivuga gake mukaga twakwizera.
It was all I could find in this dump.
So Robinson hid Amanda and Natalie in witness protection.
Bivuze ngo Robinson yishe Amanda na karaka kuzukuruke.
Exam.
Yakoze Sam.
Appreciate you looking.
Yakoze cyane. Amubwiye aho yabahishe. Telefone yakiriye. Mubwira umukobwa we na nakuzukuri kwabaje
Bridge against you is so effing wrong.
gukoresha famiye yawe nk'urwitwazo kugira ngo akugereho ni ikosa
Compared to everything else he's doing. Character assassinations, political blackmail.
uyu mugabo yica abantu
murder.
ibintu agenda afata akaba yakoresha abanyepolitike bakomeye akaba yababwira ati mutagira gutya ari amabanga mbafiteho cyangwa se ibi bintu byanyu ndabishyira hanze ugasanga bakoresha icyo bashaka ni political blackmailing abanyepolitike benshi hari nafite ubaguyeho bahita Dustin Crane the special agent
You know that. It's deep info. Have you made...
iseza yabaga imeze ite umusore ifite uyifashe
Yes, the target's name is Sofia Flores.
umuntu bari baranumyeho kuneka yitwaga Sofia Flores wa mukobwa twatangiye bagonga filime
At least a few hours a day, sometimes longer.
Have you nabaga ndi kumwe n'umukobwa
level of contact with an unsuspecting target? She thinks I'm her boyfriend.
baranumye ngo ngende nikundisha kuri mukobwa nigire sheri we kugira ngo tuzamwice none se ukuri sheri we
Think so.
niko mbikeka bamutumye kuneka wa mukobwa twatangiye arwanya leta yigaragambya kagenda mwikundisho birangira banakundanye twari tumaranye hafi umwaka urenga rura mukobwa muneka dukundana ntabwo yarazuriwe
No, she doesn't.
oya ntabwo yarazundiwe
You can see it in his face.
urabona mu maso ye
They were in love.
barakundanaga bari mu rukundo bari banutumye kuneka umukobwa mwikundisha mwigero sheri birangira banakundanye birangira umusore amukunze dore ni wa mukobwa dore boss uramubona ariko ni Robinson ni igisaza ni ibisaza bishaje ariko bihemuka shawo saza bishaguye mu kabishaje kanya kuri kose byaca ni sheni Yeah.
What are you doing? You're going the wrong way.
uri kujye ko wayobye
Dustin Crane was in love with Sophia.
warubizi ko Dustin yatangiye gukundura mukobwa mutumye kuneka
Nervous he might complete her. The thought that someone with her influence might find out what you were up to scared you.
You slippery shit.
wa mukaritasi we
That's why you picked her and then him.
wicishije umukobwa ko abona gatangiye gukundana na maneko wamutumyeho
You know nothing.
we nta kintu uzi urebe
Listen carefully. Operation Unity is going public. The whole thing.
Operation Unity yawe wakoresheje cyane wica abantu tugiye kwishyira ku karubanda afite ibimenyetso parikana afata igisaza mu ijosi mukinga
Our arrangement never happened. You're going to destroy my file.
uraza kurimbura amadosiye mfite yuko twakoranye byose ubirimbure
Go public with the truth about the operation.
I am the director of the most powerful organization in the world. I will not bargain with you.
And call it coercion. If I'm not being convincing enough, there are other ways.
uragenda wemera ibyaha kandi ngiye byo twakoranye byose ntabwo uri buze kubishyira hanze niwanga ndakwereka ubundi buryo tubikoramo urebe hey. Hey. urebe
Fine. We'll do it yours.
so turabikora mu buryo bwawe kiramutinya nacyo
There is no chance in hell I am admitting to
ariko nta mahirwe ko ndi bwemera icyaha na kimwe
whisper of Operation Unity.
iriya Operation Unity nuyijyana mu itangazamakuru
Before the day is over.
uraza gupfa mbere y'uko n'umunsi urangira
That was the last friend you will ever meet.
icyo nicyo gikanyisho cya nyuma umubwiye ntuzongere
Your old friend.
urashaka kurasa inshuti yawe ya kera
Go ahead.
komeza ndasa
You'd be doing me a favor.
uraza no kuba uri kumfasha kunyica bikore
Do it!
bikore gisoza barakubanye kera
No.
yeah.
You're not getting off that easy.
ntabwo wapfa gupfa byoroshye gutyo kuri gukwiye kuvuga
I want to tell it.
kandi wari buze kukwivugira
Where's my family?
ariko banza umbwire famiye yanjye irahagana he famiye irahagana he yeah. Katori twasize amukanze ngo amubwire aho famiye yiri bimeze bite muzehe dore aho yaje.
There she is.
Kumbe dore ngahantu yari abashyize kigabano cyari cyarabahishe yamaze kubagerayo.
Nobody's out there. I've already checked.
Pa nta kibazo na kimwe kiri ahantu hose namaze kuhasuzuma kakana muzehe yakagize nako sogokuru yakagize agasirikare. Nagakombuye.
Hey sweetheart.
Bite sweetheart yagiye kubagwaho. Abantu bari barabahishe.
Sorry about all that.
It's all right. We're fine. Just sorry about everything that you've been through. Is everything okay with you?
Couldn't be.
Mrs. Sawa, Mrs. Sawa.
Anybody want to go home?
I do.
Murashaka gutaha cyane. Aje kubacyura.
Robinson was indicted after admitting to the existence of the Marley.
Robinson ibyaha byose mu binyamakuru nyuma yo kuba mushize hanze na bya bimenyetso bano banyamakuru ibyaha byose ngo byashe kumuhama.
These comments.
Reba zino comment.
The news cycle at its finest.
Ikinyamakuru cyacu ngo nicyo kiyoboye niko abantu bari kuvuga. Ndetse baraza kujyana award. Yarishimye. Bya bimenyetso byose uriya musaza yakuye kuri external babinyuje mu itangazamakuru bishyira hanze. Nabibonye.
What do you think?
Very thorough.
Byagenze neza. Ikoranye n'umunyamakuru.
Surprised you didn't mention my Vietnam mishap.
Ahubwo kuba makuru yanjye mabi yo muri Vietnam utashyize mu itangazamakuru byanunguye. Buke muzemba ari kuva muri Vietnam hari umuntu yarashaze afite imbunda kumbe nta mbunda yari afite ngo ryari icupa rya whisky. Kuba kira cyayakoze kera batagishyizemo abanyamakuru. Uze ni cyayibwira umunyamakuru bagihishiriye cyo. Yabikoze atabishaka zingari gutabara umuntu wafashwe ku ngufu.
And I wouldn't have done it without you. So, thank you.
Uriya mugabo nta kintu ari kumutwara yonza kuba nagufite wakoze.
Here, Mira.
Wiyitokaje. Kajete bafatanije kugira ngo uriya muyobozi wa FBI wicaga abantu yitwaje umwanya yahawe na leta. Bari abantu gasanga nibo bari gusebya leta. Bamushize hasi. Ubarafunze.
Keep running.
To, we nakana. Muze disi yuko yifuza kuva mu kaza kegura. Akaza kicara mu rugo akita ku mwuzukuru we. Hey, hano yivuze iki kintu nicana nzarya iki. Kabaza umuntu aba yaragakemuye hariya na hano.
I have a date.
Yego n'umuhungu giye kuntereta.
I don't need anything, just let me know.
Usigarane n'umwana wanjye Natali nimugira icyo mukenera mu mbwire hari agahungu kagiye kunsohokana. Muntu utarakora subscribe kuri YouTube channel yacu agasobanuye films.com no filime ziri gusohokera zose. Menya ko nawe ibintu utazabishobora nta gahunda uragira koko.
Good morning.
Uyu mugore nta mugabo yagiraga nyine.
Anything else?
Nta kintu ukeneye.
No shooting guns.
Nimuze kurasa.
No guns.
Oya nta byimbunda, nta byimbunda.
Where do you stand on explosives?
Yeah.